Hi, this is Matt Sorensen with Midland GIS Solutions. This demonstration will be focusing on the export and share functionality that is built into our Integrity WebGIS platform. Now, if you're wanting to export out a map image from the website, you can simply just click on the Tasks tab here in the upper left-hand corner, and you're going to see an Export button that basically saves a map image that you're viewing on your screen. So I'll go ahead and click on that, and it will open up the Export a Map Image window in the middle of your screen. And it's going to give you some different image formats that you can pick from. You can do a JPEG, bitmap, a PNG file, a TIFF image, a GeoTIFF, or a PDF, just depending on what you're wanting. So let's go ahead and just pick a PDF. And then you're going to see here where it also will, there's a box that underneath that allows you to include georeference data. Of course, since it's a PDF, that option is grayed out, so it won't let us do that, but I'll show you that here in just a second. But basically all we need to do now is just click on Create Image. It just takes it a second to prepare that image. And then we can click on View Image. Then it'll open up, you're going to see up here, it's going to open up a different tab, and it just opens up the image that we were viewing on our screen. And at this point, I can click the print and send it to my local printer, or with my mouse I can right click and save as, give it, if I want to give it a unique name, I can save it to my local computer, my desktop or my documents folder if I wanted to retrieve this image later, or possibly email it to somebody. Let's go ahead and close out of that. Okay, so now if I click on Export button again, let's go ahead and pick JPEG. That will give us the option to include georeference data, so I'll check that box. And basically what that means is it's going to create not only the image file itself, it will also create some other files, basically the correlation file or a georeference file. So if someone is wanting to insert this image into a mapping software, such as the ArcGIS software or AutoCAD or something like that, and they're wanting to insert it with the real world coordinates so that it places that image in the correct location, be it the state plane coordinates that the mapping system that it was exported out of, it will include that information with it as well. So if I click Create Image this time with that checked, there it goes, and I can go ahead and click View Image. And you're going to see down here in the bottom left hand corner, that's the export file. If I click on that, it's going to open that up. And what it does, it creates a zipped file or a compressed zip file for that includes the actual JPEG image itself. I can go ahead and double click that and it'll open. There's the actual image itself. And then there's the projection file and then the correlation file that is packaged into this zip folder or zip file along with the image. So then you could email that information to someone or save it onto your computer as well, and it actually has the georeferenced information with the image itself. Okay, let's close that and that. Okay, the next function is the share button. And so if I click on that, let's say I'm just wanting to share this map image with someone. If I click on share, you're going to see it gives us some social media options: Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google. But the email functionality here to share this, if I click on the email, it will automatically open my email software. In this case, it's Microsoft Outlook, and it automatically creates a URL link to that map image. So I can type somebody's email in here, put a subject line, and then just send it to someone. Whoever receives this email with that link, once they get it, they can click on that URL and it will automatically take them, it'll launch the website and then zoom them right to this location within the GIS web mapping platform. So that wraps up the export and share demonstration.